In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale photos in Photoshop. If you've ever needed to make a small image bigger without it turning blocky or blurry, this walkthrough will show you how to do it properly using Photoshop's built-in tools. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop with the image you want to enlarge already loaded. With the photo open, we'll enable a feature that gives you the best possible results. Go to the Edit menu, choose Preferences, and then click Technology Previews. In this panel, turn on the option called Preserve Details 2.0 Upscale and hit OK. This unlocks Photoshop's more advanced upscaling algorithm so your enlargements retain more sharpness and texture. Next, head to the Image menu and choose Image Size. This dialog is where all the magic happens. You'll see your current dimensions measured in pixels and a resolution value. Make sure you can see the preview so you get instant feedback as you make changes. In the resample dropdown, select Preserve Details 2.0. This tells Photoshop to intelligently add new pixels rather than simply stretching the ones you already have. Now adjust the size to what you need. If you're preparing for web or screen, focus on pixel dimensions like width and height in pixels. If you're preparing for print, pay attention to the resolution value in pixels per inch along with the overall dimensions. When resample is checked, changing resolution or dimensions adds pixels to the image, creating a true upscale. Aim for realistic targets. Doubling size often works well. Pushing far beyond that can introduce artifacts. To improve quality as you scale up, use the Reduce Noise slider in the same dialog. This helps smooth out grain and compression artifacts that can become more noticeable after enlarging. Move it gradually and watch the preview. Too much noise reduction can smear fine details like hair or fabric texture, while too little can leave the image looking gritty. Find the balance that preserves edges and texture while cleaning up the background. When you're happy with the preview and settings, click OK. Photoshop will process the image and apply the upscale with your chosen settings. After it finishes, zoom in and scan important areas like faces, edges, or logos to make sure they look clean and natural. And that's it. You've successfully upscaled your photo with improved detail and clarity using Photoshop's Preserve Details 2.0. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.